Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the search bar at the bottom right and type in Minecraft. You'll see several results related to the game. At first glance, you'll notice that the full version of Minecraft costs around €7.99. But don't worry, if you search for Minecraft Trial, you'll find a free version of the game. This trial version allows you to experience Minecraft completely free for a limited time. As you can see, this game is not available in my region, but if it is available in your region, you will see the install button. Just simply tap on install and the download will begin right away. Depending on your internet connection, it should only take a few minutes. Once it's done installing, you'll see a play button appear. That's it. You're now ready to start playing Minecraft for free. The trial version gives you access to survival mode, allowing you to get a good feel for the game. However, keep in mind that it does not include creative mode or multiplayer, as those features are only available in the full version. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft for free on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.